Hi, and welcome back to the building site. Today is Thursday, 24th of October, and we're standing here next to the sign that we put up here in March, 7 months ago roughly, when we published the project. And the building is starting to look a lot like it, with some few minor adjustments. Let's go and have a look a little bit closer on what has happened on the past 2 weeks again. And here the workers have already started to flatten out the surface for these concrete tiles or slabs or whatever you'd call them. So these will come in front of the showroom windows and the main entrance and making a small pathway all the way the back terrace. And on the back there you can see the machinery flattening the yard for tarmac, and they are planning to lay out the tarmac next week. And now let's go inside to see what has happened there. So the panels on the main entrance, they have now also been insulated, so now we have the main entrance again. And down here they are building the electricity for the training centers, lights and so on, as well as the electricity for the training center, which is above. And here, on one of the most important pieces or places in the training center, in the sauna, they're installing the water pipes as well as the drainage for the showers. So here they still have a lot to do for the next 5 weeks before the factory grand opening. And here we have the toilet frame is up, so here will be a little toilet. So if the nature calls, so to say, when you're in the sauna, you don't have to go all the way to the different part of the building, but you can go here to toilet. And then let's go see upstairs what has happened there. Here on the showroom wall they have installed the light rails for the lights that come to the showroom. So this one starts to be always closer. Like we saw last time, this is the Leena's office. And here is also the flooring and the roof panels, and the lights have been installed also to this office. This will be the engineer's office, so they will be there. The water insulation has been put to these toilets here and behind the corner as well. And here at the Tenho's office, at the CEO's office, also the floor is put down, the roof is up, and it's coming closer so you can start to enjoy the view in only a few weeks. And also here, Jukka's office, our sales executive in Finland. This is his office. He will handle the sales in Finland. So he has a nice office as well. And here in the lounge area also we have the roof is done and it's waiting for the flooring and last decorations to the walls, and then it's ready. And here on the production side they are now again installing more of the air conditioning. The main air conditioning unit is already in its place. Now they're putting all the piping up, and they have also brought another electric center here because the first one ran out of room, so we had too much wiring here. Here you can also see the paint track and the paint booth, or the frame for the paint booth is there. The air conditioning unit for the paint booth is also now in place, and they will be building that next. Let's go downstairs. And down here, near the paint booth, they are now installing the heating pipes from the wood chip boiler to in here. So the big pipes coming from the wood boiler come down there, and then they will connect these up here. We have already connected these two blowers that are heated up with the wood boiler to heat up the factory, and now they're putting up the floor heating as well as the usage water heating, so we can get some warm water here soon. Now let's go check out the boiler. So out here we can see the wood chip boiler and the tarmac guys. As you can see from the top, we have finally smoke coming out. And inside here we can see the boiler itself. So here we can see the flame itself, the dashboard and control center and everything, and the feeding system there, water system up. Oh, this one starts to be very close to finished, but it's already running, so that's good. We're ready for the winter. And out here, the tarmac guys or the asphalt guys, they're making the groundwork, getting everything ready for the tarmac. So like I said, the current plan is to have the tarmac starting on Monday. So they will start putting the tarmac down on Monday, so they have still a few busy days. This Thursday, tomorrow Friday, getting everything ready, and then on Monday morning they start laying the tarmac down. So here they are making it all level, nice and smooth, so we get a nice yard to maybe play a little with the cars as well. We'll see. And then let's go back inside. And inside here, guys are again busy prepping everything for the production to start. And here we have Petteri. He's called Pepe, and Pepe will be one of our welders to put the shears together, and now he's prepping for the production, and he's building here the welding table, so we have actually a place to weld the shears on. So getting closer. And Jukka here has been programming the robot for a while now, and it's starting to look better all the time. So we're getting closer to start the production on here as well. So as you may have noticed, we have full hassle going on in pretty much every corner of the building. It's only 5 weeks until the grand opening, so there is still a lot of stuff to be done. So wish us all luck. But we'll get working. See you again in 2 weeks. Thank you. Bye bye.